So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about network 18 share. So previously, when you have done the complete technical analysis, we have seen what are the important supports and resistances. So network 18, since last few sessions, it has showed a little bit of correction because of market volatility, and even the stock was traveling in a little bit of overbought region. But nevertheless, I already told you it's a very good stock for long term. So we'll try to do the complete technical analysis and we'll see what are the next immediate levels that we need to focus. And if you're planning to have any fresh entry, so make sure you're watching the video till the end. And if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. And most importantly, do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for swing, so that beginners will have benefit. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so first, if we try to observe the day-to-day wise deliveries, so clearly we can see on 18th November, the stock has corrected around 5% and the delivery percentage is around 41%. So last 2 to 3 sessions also, if we try to compare, so we can say little bit of pullback was observed in it, but again, as I told, market was volatile. Profit booking was observed in many stocks, not only this particular stock. So expected retracement was seen in it. And delivery percentage is very important, and that is clearly increasing on day-to-day basis. So fundamentals wise, financials wise, the stock is not having any major negatives. So everything is completely good, and it is also giving a very good growth on steady basis. Okay, so now let's go to the technical charts and we'll try to discuss both on daily chart and weekly chart how the stock is performing. Okay, so first, if we try to discuss about this particular stock on weekly chart time frame, so we can see from the 95 rupees level. So when it has crossed that, obviously little bit of profit booking was observed in it. So weekly chart, you can see back to back green candles were generated in it, and we have seen profit booking in that region, and the stock has showed a little bit of downtrend. So now comes the two important levels. So first level, clearly it is visible, it is around 79 rupees, and the next level is around 77.47. So this particular zone, okay, between 79 and 77 is going to be important zone. And if you're trying to buy or do any fresh entry, so you can do here in small portions. So this is a long-term stock, so not a recommendation for swing trading or just hold for 2 days and exit, not like that. So need to have a vision of long term, and you need to focus in this particular region if you're planning for any fresh entry. And if you have taken at low levels, let's say around 60 or 65, so there I can say the levels, especially the 77 and 79, so you can do your average. Okay, so this is on weekly chart. So once it starts reversing from this 77 and 79 region, so the first important level would be 85. So once it crosses 85, next would be 90 and then 95. So these can be the immediate levels. So if you are a safe investor and if you are feeling that it is risky at the current levels, so then you can wait till the stock approaches the 90 rupees, and once it breaks that 90 rupees level, then you can go for buying in some heavy quantities. And if you can risk at current levels, so then you can put small portions near 77 and 79. So price action is very clear. So these can be near-term levels that you need to watch out in the stock. So now let's go to daily chart. So before that, money flow index, still the stock is in overbought region and it is in 87. So little bit of what we can say, market when it corrects, obviously the stocks which are in overbought region, obviously they also fall down. So that is one of the major reason. So as I told, now let's go to daily chart. Okay, so in daily chart, if we try to analyze the stock, you can see there we have two major trend lines. So first trend line, the stock is taking a very strong support, and another one is acting like a resistance. So one we have as a support and one we have as a resistance. Alright, this is support and this is resistance. So the stock clearly, according to price action, it is traveling here and it is at a very good support. So you need to watch out in the coming sessions whether this particular support is being respected or not. So if it comes down, better to wait, and if it is showing any sort of reversal, so you can take a small quantity, as I told, for swing, or it may be anything, but I am suggesting for long term itself, and with immediate targets of 90-95. All right, so these can be the swing and positional targets, and money flow index in daily chart is around 58. Okay, so further queries related to this particular stock you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is stocks diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.